morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Danny. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in the day. I know you all have been commenting and are excited about this 90-day transformation journey just like I am. So I figured I would show you kind of what I eat throughout the day in order to achieve my results. So if you want to see what I'm eating today, make sure to just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I need coffee. I'm trying not to drink as much coffee. I may drink coffee now like once a week, but today is going to be a very busy day. Of course, I'm still working from home and we are having training today. I have meetings up until tonight, so it's just going to be really busy. So I'm going to make some coffee because I need it. This is what I need. This is exactly what I need. Okay, so I'm done for right now. I'm gonna come back when it's breakfast time. I'll probably eat in a couple hours because I'm not super hungry, but I needed my coffee. So I have my Chia Seed Water, and so I'm going to drink this and I'm going to do some work. Then it'll be time for me in about 30 minutes or so. It'll be time for me to make my breakfast for the day.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So I'm gonna eat my breakfast. These blueberries are so good, they're so sweet. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. As you can see, I'm trying to do going more towards like plant-based for the most part. The sausage that I use is a plant-based sausage. I did use egg simply because, one, I'm not a huge fan of egg, but sometimes I like it like on a breakfast sandwich. I tried to get the Just Egg, which is the egg substitute from the store, but they were out, so I have to go back and get that. And I still had eggs left, so I was like, I might as well use it. And then I also didn't get any vegan cheese. I have a lot of cheese left over and I don't want to waste food, so I'll ease my way on to trying to do more plant-based, but I'm okay with it. And then I also have my fruit, my strawberries, and my blueberries. So I'm gonna eat this. This is my breakfast, and then I'll come back in a couple hours when it's time for lunch. So it is now actually past lunchtime. It is almost 4 o'clock. My eating schedule is all the way off because I have been doing intermittent fasting. So I don't eat my first meal until 11. And so I'm hungry again now. So I think I'm gonna make some quick, maybe some quick tacos. They're probably gonna be like vegan tacos though, because I don't want to make any ground beef and I don't have any substitute meat. So maybe I'll just make some like black bean tacos. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna have. I'm really excited to eat this. This is actually the first time I've ever made this with like these ingredients. It's kind of like a taco slash quesadilla. I guess we can call it a quesadilla. But it is vegetarian, not vegan, because I did use regular cheese. I just can't get enough. I contemplated using some sour cream on it. I have some in the fridge, but I think I'll refrain. I'm trying to wean myself off of dairy, so I'll stick to this, although I think it would be amazing with sour cream, but you know, it's okay. You gotta make sacrifices these days. So I'm going to eat this, and then I'm gonna finish my last hour of work, and then I'll come back. I only made one because I figured one would be filling, but I knew that I needed to eat like my last meal or dinner no later than like 7:30, so I said I would just come back for dinner. So I just made one to kind of hold me over until then. Oh my gosh, I had to come back and say, can I just say that this is amazing? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I really did something. I really did something here. I wanted to be able to show you all the supplements that I take every day in order to stay healthy and to get this journey on its way. So first I have my Ollie multi-women's. I actually just got a new one because I ran out, so this is my new one. I need to take that. I have my magnesium that I take. I have my vitamin D. I take these probiotics. They're the Pearl version, just to make sure that everything down there in my digestive system is doing well. I am back to taking my Liver Focus This is just to help cleanse my liver. A lot of people don't realize that your liver needs detoxing as well. So I take these to help kind of cleanse and detox my liver. And then of course I take my apple cider vinegar. These are in the pill form, just because I don't like the drink form anymore. It's too hard to swallow, so I take the pill form of these. Also with supplements, I take these Super Reds. They are from the company It Works. I talked about them previously. It just has a bunch of different vitamins, antioxidants, and a whole bunch of different fruits, veggies in it. So I take this as like an energy boost. It doesn't have any caffeine or anything in it, but it just kind of gives me a boost of energy for the day. And then with 2 of my meals, I take this Thermophyte. This is also from It Works. No, I don't sell the products. I know people that do sell the products, but there's stuff that really work for me. They're really helpful for me. This is a thermogenic, so it helps with fat burning. So I take one of these with my meals also. I missed one meal with it, so I'm gonna take it with my lunch, and then I'm also going to take it with my dinner for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my supplement. Okay, so it is now time to eat dinner. I am very hungry and I'm gonna go ahead and cook because I actually have a meeting. So I'm like, let me go ahead and cook my dish, get my stuff together so that I can eat a quick meal before I have to get into my meeting. So tonight I'm going to be making some coconut chickpea curry with some basmati rice on the side. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So that's everything that I've had to eat today. I hope you enjoyed my what I eat in the day. I'm about to get into this dinner. Hope you all enjoyed this. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I want to give a quick shout out to Wasted Fitness. This is the brand that I've been rocking. You all know I absolutely love them. Make sure to check them out in the description bar down below, and make sure to also use my code DANY15 to receive 15% off of your purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.